Bride City. We got some pretty ones too. Some blushing ones. Army bus. Coliseum. The brides. Great place to get married. Constantino's Arch. Time to go home. It's our taxi. Oh, just married. Well, we came to the Jewish quarter, and this is the synagogue. Very impressive, and there's a wedding going on. The place is heavily guarded by Italian police with machine guns. Sorry to say. The wedding people are waiting for the bride to come out. So it's a Jewish wedding and they're throwing stuff at her. This is pretty wild. And her limousine awaits. His official wedding photographer, Harry Day. Pretty wild scene. Alright, enough of this, right, Ev? Who's in there with the official wedding photographer? Who could that be? It's Taryn! She's up there getting shots of everyone else! Meanwhile, over on the side of across the street, totally horrified, are Joe and Evie. Are you horrified by Mom getting in there?
I don't know, Mom. Who are these people? I don't know these people. Hungarian people.
Evie, what kind of people are we?
Golden glasses. We are Hungarian